morning everyone. So today is our third day on the sailboat here in El Nido Palawan sailboat. I'll link their info down below, and it's probably the last video from here. We already made 2 the other days. We are here tomorrow, but yeah, I don't think we're gonna make any more videos. And I mentioned in the last video that we would be going to Cadlao Island again. Yeah, so last time we went to the left side, some beaches there, Paradise Beach. And this time we're gonna go to the right side over there. There's another beautiful looking beach, and I think that's even an island. So yeah, we're gonna check that out on the kayak. And this is probably the best weather day. Beautiful blue skies today, unlike the last few days. So before we head out, we're gonna feed our fish friends.
You can already see one over there.
Yeah, I can already see one.
The triangle.
So it's funny, the same group of fish stay below the boat every day.
Yeah.
Carlito said that they're always here, the same group, so I don't know if they eat oatmeal, but we'll find out.
No, I think,
Oh, there we go.
The big one came and that one.
He loves the oatmeal. Alright, we have arrived. Very tired, very hot. It did rain a bit, so that was nice to cool down. So check this out, we're in some amazing bay here. Huge stretch. So that's an island we're gonna check out later on. I think now we're heading to this big main long beach here. But if you look to the left, there's also little secluded beaches here, like 2 separate ones. They look beautiful as well. But I think we'll just go for the main one, right? Yeah, let's head that way. What a place. Yeah, this is definitely a wild beach because we just saw 2 monkeys walking along the beach. We never see that anywhere in the Philippines so far. But I think they're scared of us, right?
Yeah, they're already gone.
Yeah, they're already gone. They went in the jungle. Somebody's blasting out Lady Gaga on one of the sailboats. Not really my go-to beach music. So Carol, who's gonna go over to that boat and break the sound system, you or me? Oh, they're here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the monkey's in the trees. Yeah, so there you can see the monkey just chilling, staring at me. So on Google Maps, it says that this beach is called Nat Nat Beach. And I think this is also one of the stops of Tour D, the island hopping tours. You can probably see here, there's about, I don't know, about 5 sailboats here. They were all in Kurong when the lockdown started, so they all had to stay there. But I think there was really bad weather in Kurong. There was lots of waves and stuff. So basically everyone was allowed to stay in either the El Nido town bay or this place here because it's kind of protected and doesn't have much waves. Obviously you got these big rocks here, so I think it's always calm here, and that's why these guys are here. So I think all these sailboats have been here pretty much since the beginning of the lockdown. They've just been chilling in this bay. Pretty awesome. And then they all have the little speed boats to go back to El Nido town for supplies and stuff, just like our guy does. I think if I was on the sailboat though, I'd prefer to stay out here.
Yeah. It's very nice with the surroundings.
Yeah, really is an awesome bay. That island looks awesome as well. We're gonna go there. You could probably swim there, but we'll probably go by kayak. So this time we brought a little bit of food for the dogs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, banana, and we got some packet of like crisps over there. So this guy was barking at us, so I don't know if he's that friendly, but we want to give him food. Nah, he's running away. It's just great. The day we bring food for the dogs, they bark at us or they're running away from us. Every other time they're always friendly, starving, wanting food. That one looks pretty healthy though, so yeah, someone's feeding it well. So shallow here, right?
Yeah. I think only over there.
Near the island.
Yeah, near the island that we can swim.
Yeah. You could probably swim to the island, but probably best just take the kayak, right?
Yeah.
We think this is probably like the wildest looking beach that we've been to around El Nido. Well, on the islands anyway. We've been to some pretty wild ones on the mainland. There's actually a few local houses here. So there are a few people living here. Since the tide's gone down, you can walk all over it now. It's kind of like a mangrove area here. I don't think I've seen that on any of the islands. Have we seen mangroves on any islands here?
No, only on the mainland.
Yeah, only on the mainland. Right, we made it, Bucal Island. So look how awesome this little island looks. Just a tiny little sandbank. There's a fishing boat here because I can see some guys snorkeling over there. A lot of people fish with spear guns here. Water looks absolutely beautiful though, like a beautiful turquoise colour. And from here you get even better views of the beach that we were on before over there. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Gonna cool down?
Yeah, we need to. It's so hot today.
Yeah. Yeah, I think here's good to swim, right? Not much corals. Looks pretty deep.
So we just met some guys from the sailboats, like the owners of these sailboats right here. And Chris is talking to one of them over there, and I think I'm going to try to see if there are any fish around here. Snorkeling time. So we just had a quick shower. We're about to get into the little motorboat here
and go back to El Nido town. We've got to buy some food to cook here. We've run out, and we're also going to go to a restaurant as well and renew our scooter that we've left in the town. Whoa. Alright, off we go. What are we eating?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Same as usual.
I want a pizza. Craving pizza. Okay. We message you.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. See you later. Back in El Nido.
Yeah.
Well, I've never seen it from this view actually. Pretty cool. Good view of the mountains from this pier. I always go for the big juicy margarita pizza. So is that pumpkin soup?
Mm-hmm. Pumpkin soup.
And what is that?
Fish fillet
Fish
with
fillet.
salad.
Alright. Yeah, we always love eating this here. And we just like the place. Check it out. Nice and colourful. They usually have some cool lounge music on.
Brazilian music sometimes.
Yeah, even Brazilian music, right? And we're right on the road parallel to the beach. So nice and close to the pier. So we finished all our errands and it's around 6 p.m. now, and that's the sunset time. So yeah, we've had some pretty epic sunsets from here. Even though you can't see the final phase of the sun going down, still get the beautiful color. So I think I'm gonna fly the drone. I never actually fly it at sunset time, so yeah, I'm not even sure how it's gonna look, but we'll see how it goes. Carol always says I have to fly it at the sunset.
Yeah, sometimes it can be very beautiful, I think.
Yeah.
Carlito is going to fly the drone.
Carlito's gonna crash my drone.
Where is the drone? Over there. Beautiful sky.
Hello.
Hello.
Kumusta ka?
Kumusta?
Carol brought out the red wine for the last sunset on the boat. Carlo Rossi.
Sangria.
Sangria.
Yeah, it's very sweet.
Yeah, and the sunset is still looking awesome back there. The silhouette always looks cool, right?
Yeah, of Cadlao.
Yeah.
And helicopter island.
So what do you think of your stay at Kalayaan?
Oh, it's amazing. Like a very different experience, and yeah, it's just super nice because it's like you're at home, but at the same time you are just in the sea, so it's very nice.
So 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll stay here again, of course, when we come back.
What about you, Carlito? 10 out of 10? Kalayaan? Very good. We found out that we've actually been saying the name wrong this whole time. We kept saying Kalayan and it's Kalayaan. So kind of similar to a foreigner anyway, but probably very different to Filipino. And yeah, just what an awesome place. We think it's probably the top 2 places that we've stayed, along with Brother Island here in El Nido, mainly because of the whole experience involved. So yeah, I think these have been the top 2. We've enjoyed it so much that we'll definitely try and stay on a sailboat again at some point. Who knows, maybe this sailboat again if we come back to El Nido next year or whenever tourism comes back to normal. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, all the links to stay at this place are in the description. If you're going to be around El Nido or the Port Barton area, definitely check it out. If you like the video, drop a like to support us, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.